Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Today we are going to see the lesson Robinson Crusoe. Before that we see My Little Pictionary. Footprint. The impression of the foot in a soft substance such as sand or snow. Footprint is a noun. Next. Tribe is a noun. A small community of people with common habits and culture. Tent. A portable shelter made of a canvas attached to the ground poles. Boat. A small vessel used to travel in water. A small vessel used to travel in water. Next. Waterfall. Noun. Water from river or stream dropping from a higher point to a lower point. Let's get into the lesson Robinson Crusoe. Okay children, are you ready? Yeah. Robinson Crusoe was a brave young man. Who was a brave young man? Yeah, Robinson Crusoe. Okay. He loved adventures. Do you know the meaning of adventure? Do you know? Yeah. Risky or unexpected undertaking. Okay. Risky or unexpected undertaking. He loved adventures. When he was 19 years old, he left his home and took travel in the sea. One day, his ship started to sink because of a great storm. Son managed to swim to an island. When he reached the island, he was so tired that he just slept on the sand. When he woke up, he found a little dog next to him. What did he find? Yeah, he found a little dog next to him. They both were all alone in the place. They both were all alone in the place. Next. Robinson explored the island and he found the broken ship. He took some food, guns, clothing and tools from it. What did he take? Yeah, he took some food, guns, clothing and tools from it. He made a tent and lived in it. He counted days on a wooden cross. From then on, he was able to keep a calendar. On the island, he found many kinds of goats and hares which he shot and ate. Then he made a small boat. One day, Robinson found a footprint of a human on the other side of island. He was frightened. For 2 years he lived in fear. Then one day he saw some tribal men chasing a young fellow. Robinson took out his gun and shot twice. The tribal men got scared and ran away. He named him Friday as he met him on Friday. At last, he had a human friend in the island. Robinson taught Friday to speak in English, to shoot and eat like a human. One day, they both saved some people from the cannibals. Among them, they found Friday's father and his friends. They stayed with Robinson and Friday for a few days and left the island. Another day, Friday informed Robinson about a ship. They both hid and watched the ship. Robinson learnt that the ship's men had rebelled against the captain. After killing some of the rebels, Robinson, Friday, and the captain retook the ship. At last, Robinson sailed from the island to England with Friday. After 28 years, 2 months, and 90 days. After 28 years, 2 months, and 19 days after. Did you like the story? Yeah. Next meaning. Adventure, risky or unexpected undertaking. Explore, travel through an unknown area to learn more about it. Tent, portable canvas shelter. Then tribal, racial, ethnical. Cannibals, human who eat other humans. Spaniards, somebody born or residing in Spain. Rebels, people who protect authority. Match the words with the picture. Look at the words and then picture. Match it. Match yourself. Yeah, very good. Good children. Okay, this is your time. Are you ready to read the lesson? Yeah, good. Read. Good. Thank you, children.